Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at finding a percentage of a number. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. So we're going to go through the following examples to help us understand percentages. So question 1 is 50% of 18. So we can either multiply the 18 by the fraction form or the decimal of the percent. So for number 1, I will do both. Let's do the fraction form first. And the fraction form of 50% or any percent is the number over 100. Percent means per 100, so 50 hundredths. 50 hundredths is the fractional form of 50%. Now, whenever we have the word of, we can convert that into a multiplication sign. So of means times. So 50 hundredths times 18, and we will put it over 1, so it still holds the value of 18, but we will have a numerator and a denominator, which will make it easier to multiply. Now we can multiply straight across. So 50 times 18 will give us 900, and 100 times 1 gives us 100. Since this is an improper fraction, we can solve 900 divided by 100 to get 9. Now, as you can see, these numbers got fairly big. Therefore, if we know the simplified version of the fraction, it will make it easier for us to multiply. So 50 hundredths is equivalent to 1 over 2. And multiply it by 18 over 1 to get 18 divided by 2. And this is a lot more manageable than 900 divided by 100. And we can get to 18 over 2, which is the simplified version. So in both scenarios, we get the same answer of 9. Next, we can multiply the decimal form of 50%, which is 0.5. And this is the equivalent to the fractional form, but it's the decimal version. 0.5 times 18, whether done by hand or by a calculator, will give us the same answer of 9. So the decimal form times the percent will give you the answer as well. So let's look at question 2. So 25% of 40. First, we're going to do the fractional form of the percent. Remember, percent means out of 100. So 25 out of 100 times by 40 over 1. Now we put it over 1 again just to make it easier to multiply. 25 multiplied by 40 gives us 1000. 100 multiplied by 1 gives us 100. Since it is an improper fraction, we can simplify this to 10. So 25% of 40 is 10. Now we can simplify the fractional form of the percentage to 1 over 4. This is because 25 over 100 is the equivalent to 1 over 4, or a quarter. So 1 over 4 times 40 over 1 gives us 40 over 4. Now again, this is an improper fraction which we can simplify, so we get an answer of 10. Our answer comes back to the same. However, it is easier to simplify the fractional form of the percent first, as you will be dealing with smaller numbers. Now, if we were to convert this into the decimal form of the percentage, it would be 0.25. Now, whether you do this by a calculator or by hand, when you multiply 0.25 by 40, you will get the same answer of 10. Let's move on to the next question. 45% of 15. So first we're going to convert this so that it is in fractional form. So 45% is the equivalent to 45 over 100 multiplied by 15 over 1. So we can multiply straight across. 45 times 15 gives us 675. 100 times by 1 gives us 100. Now we need to simplify our fraction into a mixed number since it doesn't divide properly. How many whole groups of 100 do we get out of 675? We get 6. And how many is left over? 75 out of 100. So 6 and 75 hundredths, which is the equivalent of 6.75 in decimal form. Or we can multiply by the decimal form of the percent, which is 0.45 times 15. And you should get the same answer of 6.75. And that's it. That's how you find the percent of a number. So I hope you understood those 3 examples very well, because now it's time for the bonus question. So I want you to calculate the following: 65% of 90, and I want you to leave your answer in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications.